So, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Channel. Today we're going to react to Meow, spelled with M-O-W-V. Meow, meow, meow. Eh, meow. Okay ko nalaman na ganito pala yung fandom ng ano, Pom Pom. Yan, ganda. Ako lang may pala yung logo nila, guys. And they are a five-member girl group under the Black Label. Ayan, this is Zoe, I believe, the dancer. Yeah, dancer. Gawon. 2005, grabe, parang pili kong tanda ko na guys. 2005, 2005. Anna, visual, vocalist. Nari, 2007, wow. And then, here's Ella. And Ella. Grabe, 2008, Magni. Pero kasi si Ella, guys, matagal na rin sikat to sa pagkakalala ko. And guys, so if you want to know more about them, ayan, din sa K-profile, guys. So, see, let me just share my recap for December to February. As you can see, ayan, meow, meow yung ano, parang number one nga, meow, body, burning up, and all day project as I mentioned from my previous video. Ito yung mga pinapakinggan ko ngayon ng mga groups. Then ito EXO guys, one of my old groups from third gen. Yeah, Baby Monster, di ba ang ganda? So, huwag natin paligid pa guys, pakinggan natin itong ano. Yeah, I believe this is their debut song. Okay, let's go. Okay. If you're new to that, if you're new to my channel, yeah, si adjust ng volume mo naman. Ewan ko bakit ganito.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Meow.
Gusto ko yung bass dito. Saka yung pang party vibes na ano. Alam mong under YG sila. I mean, di ba, back label is under like, meron silang something ni YG sa
Now you speak French talking about
kasi ka, depart din naman yung nag-produce na ito ata.
Calling giddy, I can't keep up with me. Try and match my energy.
Let's go, Sowin. Kasi yung bias ko yun guys eh. Bias ako sa Ella.
We make 'em. We're my girls, we gon' shake some.
They are sticking
We don't chase
sa
them.
concept nila na meow.
Turn it
Pusa.
up, hear that bass drum. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on. Bring 'em. Shake some. Break some. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on. I'm a mug of butter, I can do it all night. It look easy, don't it? Make 'em all tongue-tied, 날카로운 쌀알 바로 여기 접수해 오는 고요하게 높이 뛰어 닿지 않을 것까지 Nothing else on my mind when I'm on my grind. No, I ain't got time. 침묵 끝에 터지는
Totong
roaring
build up bago yung chorus.
막하기 시작했어.
Ano yung
Keep
drop?
burning. Holding this, you
Tama,
can see
pre-chorus.
on the table. Fill 'em up, pulling up on site. We make 'em. With my girls, we gon' shake some. We don't run, we don't chase some. Turn it up, hit that bass drum. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on. Shake some.
Lang yung pusa ano.
Break some. Ones and years and dollars. Come on, come on, come on.
Ang random ng big foot dito. Nakita lang yung big foot o Chewbacca. Ay, maganda siya yung main dancer, no? Actually, they are all good in dancing. So, ganda. Ganda ng music, guys. Pero naalala ko nung ano, nung unang release to, as far as I can remember, nasa office ako. Eh, nagbabasa ako ng mga comments, they be hating sa music. Yung ganda naman ewan ko ba, di na siguro talaga na-trip yung ganda. Ayan, yeah, parang ganito nga siguro. This song feels more like introductory track for the group rather than the debut. May point, oo. Parang, ito yung meow guy, at yung meow, ganito yung kaya namin gawin. Wah! Okay, let's go. Ito talaga pinaka-favorite kong kanta nila. Sinabi ko ba kanina na ito yung favorite ko o ito yung favorite ko, guys? Ito, guys, gustong gusto ko to bukod sa ang ganda ng kanta. Ang ganda rin parang performance video na to, guys. Kasi andun yung mga like, dancer, mga galang dancing guys sa K-pop industry. Yun, di ba? Hina-hype nila, di ba? Ganda.
Bring it on, 눈 마주치면 be gone. 머리카 shiny long, 내 정신은 laser strong. 나 무슨 타타, 원하면 다 bring it on down. N-E-O-B-B-B, okay, my body, 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 yeah, a body, 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 yeah, a body, body, you, body, yeah, a body, body, you, body, yeah, a body, body. Supernatural, 사뿐하게 catwalk, let the ground break. CPR처럼 히든민데 just to set the sound wave. 애들하기 won't focus 뭘 물어봐야 I ate it girls, yeah babe. Tell 'em bring it on, 눈 마주치면 be gone. 머리카 shiny long, 내 정신은 laser strong. 나 무슨 타타, 원하면 다 bring it on down. N-E-O-B-B-B, okay, a body, body,
Hey, buddy, buddy, yeah.
a body, 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 yeah, a body, body, you, body, yeah, a body,
Pakisabay.
body, you, body, yeah, a body, body. 이니만이 마음's get wild eye. 손머리 위로 난 내꺼 It's a sticker. 눈 감고 open your eyes, yeah. 빨간색 big picture. It's circling all of my sisters. Serving it up like some dead nut. Thinking you big, you don't know that we bigger. Body, 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 yeah. A body, 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 yeah. A body, body, you, body, yeah. A body, body, you.
Ito yung pinaka-favorite kong part. Hey, hey,
Body, 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 body,
hey, hey. Oh, ano?
body, body, body.
Bitin yung kanta, guys. Pati ako, napasayaw ko, guys. Pinagpawisan naman dun. Sabi, ang ganda. Siyempre, pinaka-heart yung mga ganito. Kasi, mostly kasi, guys, sa ano nakikinig eh. Kaya ganyan. YouTube, YT Music, Y Music, YT Music. The crowd is filled with famous planners in Korea. Di ba? Grabe. Totoo. Totoo yun, totoo to. Grabe, they deserve more recognition, guys. Ayun lang, guys. Sorry. Bago pa ako sa reaction videos. And it's kind of awkward pa sa akin. Pero, yeah, I'm enjoying it. And thanks so much for watching, guys. And kung mabot sa dulo, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any requests, huwag mo yung mag-request, guys. And thank you. Bye-bye.